Creepy Carrots. Author is Aaron Reynolds, retold by Hannan. This is Jasper. He has a huge passion for eating carrots. He could eat 1,000,000 of them. But danger was coming. They were watching, and Jasper was watching them. He felt something was there. He sprinted. He was horrified and blinded by what he was seeing, so he made a plan. He finally built the fort, and there will be no carrots escaping. Jasper didn't see any carrots, but still he felt he was being watched. Or it might have been just a victory for the carrots. Read this book to find out. Will Jasper be stalked forever?